Hey man, you know where you watch.
Yes, I'm here again, my people. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to present to you videos that are being talked about on social media. Alright, so first things first, I am going to present a video to you that I be recorded within Jamaica. Now, the video that I'm about to present to you is going to show a person who had been arrested or detained by the police within the country of Jamaica. The video shows more than one police officers. The video shows a person laying on the ground. The video also shows blood on the person who was laying on the ground, and the video also shows blood on the ground. Now, the person who was laying on the ground is the person who had been arrested or detained by the police within the country of Jamaica. The video also shows a certain type of bag, viewers and subscribers. Now, I didn't get any confirmed information as to why the person had been arrested or detained by the police. But based on some things that at least one person said in the video, I got the understanding that the person said that are they lay the bag in take and go with, or are they lay the bag in hole and go with. So I assume that the person had done something illegal, and that's why the person had been arrested or detained by the police in the country of Jamaica. Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present the video to you so that you can hear some things that a certain amount of persons said in the video, viewers and subscribers. And maybe by hearing some of the things that they said, you might get a better understanding about the whole situation. And I'm going to somewhat edit the video to keep this video as family friendly as possible. However, please bear in mind that I can hear harsh language in this video. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Look, listen, observe, and you can also tell me what you think.
Yes, man.
So you hear some of the things that have been said in that video. Viewers and subscribers, you can tell me what you think that person had done for that person to be detained or arrested by police in the country of Jamaica. In my point of view, you can hear quite a number of persons who seems as if they was upset at the time when the video be recorded. See? So, my people, one of the reasons why I presented that video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media, and I would like you, my viewers and subscribers, to tell me what you think about that video. Now, with that, I'm going to move on to another video. Now, I'm going to present another video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and this video will be recorded in Jamaica. Now, the video that I'm about to present to you is going to show some things that happened at the scene of a motor vehicle accident. The video is going to show a damaged truck, and the video is going to show damaged road railing or railings. I don't know how many feet of the road railing or railings was damaged, to viewers and subscribers. See? I did not get any confirmed information about the driver for the damaged truck, and I did not get any confirmed information to determine if there was any injuries or if anything happened to anyone. I didn't get any information as to exactly when the incident happened, viewers and subscribers, and at least one person said some things in the video that gave me the understanding that the person said that another truck caught on fire right within the vicinity of that motor vehicle accident. Now, one of the reasons why I'm presenting this video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media. I want to take a look at the video and tell me what you think. And I want to say this to each and every motorist and pedestrians. Please use the road safely for yourself and others. Alright? Now, please bear in mind that I can hear harsh language in this video, and some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Look, listen, and observe for yourself.
Gas truck up there, so it just catch a fire.
And the gas truck they catch a fire.
Tap one. I say, we down the side of the liquid coming up. Yeah, show no. I show no where the liquid from. Mash up. a licky from in a bad, bro. Yeah?
Are you a driver?
No, I'm a driver. That's just a video, man. A video things are going. Acha, we up here saying lick from. The gas chuck up this so we catch a fire. The gas chuck catch a fire just not too long. See it over so you not even can see it with the blood clot. Just up my way, look up on Mandela Highway. Mandela Highway at TJ Patterson Highway. Yeah. This done for, man. That done for.
Alright, my people. What you think about that video there? I mean, the video shows the scene of a motor vehicle accident, or the video shows a damage the truck, and then in the video at least one person said some things that gave me the understanding that that person said that a gas truck caught on fire, viewers and subscribers, right within the same vicinity. What do you think about a situation like that? Each and everyone out there, pedestrians, motorists, please be careful on the road. Be careful, be careful, be careful. See it? And I hope that this video can help bring more awareness out there when it comes on to the use in a Jamaica road and worldwide. You understand? Let me know what you think, my people. I'm going to move on to another video. In the next video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, you can see what I call a large amount of garbage. And in the video, a person said some things that gave me the understanding that the person complained about the large amount of garbage that I can see in the video, viewers and subscribers. See? Now, I don't know exactly where and when this video will be recorded. I'm going to like to take a look at this video and tell me what you think about this situation, viewers and subscribers. See? Look, listen, and observe for yourself.
What? Look at our house here. A business here. We have a business here.
Okay.
Watch this. Watch this. It's coming up the road. Why these people and them so stink? Huh? Why are they so stink with all themselves? Huh? Watch. There's our house right behind this business here. Look where they reach. Up the road they're coming in. Huh? You must see the drain. Watch. You don't understand these people and them? Huh? I don't understand these people and them. I live in Raleigh and I do him trouble shit. I just burn my rubbish in the back of my yard. Understand? They're coming up the road. They didn't settle in the corner, you know. They're coming up the road. Where they coming from?
Huh?
Tell me where they coming from. Watch. Corporation Friday. If you like a CBT in 3 days in a green building. Understand?
So want the garbage truck and them thing there. City dump and so forth.
People out there stink. That stink country we live in by. Huh? Where they coming from with all that fucking rubbish?
That not safe, my people.
So watch, you park your car. Look where your car is in your business. Huh? There's no tomorrow. They're going to reach right where the sky is here right now.
My people, that not safe. You know, that not safe. You see me, that is basically, my understanding is that garbage dump there so. But look on the amount, me I wonder about, you know mean like city dump and garbage truck. I them think that me I wonder about when I see that, you know, that no look safe at all. That a hazard right there's a health hazard if I say. That no look safe there so at all. So that person really and truly, in my point of view, have the right to complain about something like that. Because if I did me that complain too. I tell you. Let me know what you think about all the videos that I presented to you in this video. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla.
Hear me now?
Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla.